Changes to COVID-19 protocols are prompting state health department officials to threaten legal action against Union County schools. Back on Monday, the Board of Education relieved school staff from contact tracing duties and changed quarantine protocols. Union County Schools is one of the few districts in the state where masks are not mandatory in the classrooms.
WCNC Charlotte's Chloe Leshner joins us live in Monroe tonight. Chloe, you've been speaking with families who are worried these changes could make their children vulnerable.
People on both sides here, but I spoke with some concerned parents today who feel like the school board is failing their children by not prioritizing their health and safety. It's been a big back and forth. Union County Public Schools peeling back COVID protocols, Health Secretary Mandy Cohen threatening legal action as a result.
It's kind of sad because it seems like all this has turned into a political thing when really it's just a health issue.
Vicki James feels like her son Zachary is stuck in the middle. He's a medically fragile high school freshman, but with fewer safety measures in place, they've had to keep him home.
What parent could send a child into a setting where the possibility of the child contracting something that could possibly lead to a lifelong illness and possible death? How could you send your child knowingly into that situation?
The school board says 14-day quarantines have been a hardship for students and parents, and the county health director would not consider the request for a 7 or 10-day quarantine as allowed under certain conditions by the state. In a letter sent before their vote, the health director said he would not object to a shorter quarantine.
Yeah, you're just sending your kids to school hoping that they can stay there and stay safely.
Some parents hoping it doesn't reach the point of litigation and school board members prioritize student safety.
The best interest is to have our kids in school, which we all agree, to have our teachers, to have our kids, to have the faculty and staff safe and be able to come back the next day.
I asked the school board chair if there are plans to meet before tomorrow's deadline, and she said there are not. For full transparency, the health director, superintendent, and school board chair all declined to go on camera today. Live in Union County, Chloe Leshner, WCNC Charlotte.
All right, Chloe, I know you're going to keep pressing for those interviews. Thank you.